I I'm just checking a new position of my camera. By the way, Merry Christmas. This is 25th of December, episode 2. I have to go to Betla National Park, which is 200 kilometer from Hazaribagh. So I'm just prepping up my motorcycle and my camera stuff and the angle it looks. It looks good, no? It looks good. You see? This is a new position. Let me see how this looks from this angle. If this is a better position, then I'm going to keep it this way. Anyway, I'm going to switch it off. I'm going to start. Good morning. Today is 25th of December. Wish you a very happy Merry Christmas. 25th of December 2025 it is. This is episode 2, solo travel, solo bike ride to Betla National Park. I am at Giridih, very near to Hazaribagh. I have 200 kilometers to go today. And the estimated time of arrival is showing 1:30. I should be there by 2. That is the target. Let's see. I'm moving out from Hotel Sonam. It was a nice hotel altogether. So let's move out. Nobody is there. Okay, let's move out. Let's see the traffic first. It's clear. Let's go. I hope this new camera angle.
Highway 522 for 26 kilometers.
Okay, so I have to go 26 kilometers on National Highway 522. I am very excited. This is bright morning. This is 8:30 a.m. in the morning. And this is the new camera angle. Tell me, how do you like it? The last one was kind of center. I'm trying out different angles to find out which one actually is the best. So, no more talking. Let's hit the road. I am on the road. I know I am crazy. I am going towards Betla National Park for 200 kilometers. I will be reaching there by 2 p.m. That's the target. Because they won't allow me after 4 p.m. I shouldn't be late. So I am going through the Hazaribagh. And Hotel Sonam was good. It was cozy, warm, comfy. Both for myself and for my motorcycle as well. I had a very good sleep, very good dinner. I am still full. So, let's go. My tank is full now. Also went to the restroom. It is showing me 136 kilometers from here. It is showing me that I am supposed to reach at 2. I don't want to be late any further. I have to reach early. Right now it is 10:30 a.m. in the morning, and it's showing me that I would reach around 2 p.m. I have to reach there by 2 p.m. So let's go. I'm going to take a break. I'm going to and let me just tell you, it is chilling cold. It is Amrit. Oh, it's bone chilling cold. Till Hazaribagh, the weather was good. And last 100 kilometers to Betla forest. Inside the forest, it's bone chilling cold. That too, it is almost 11:30 a.m. in the morning. But this coffee is wonderful. I'm not exhausted. I am cold exhausted. Oh, I just hope I reach in time. I don't want to be after 4. They don't allow, they will not give me the entry after 4. I have another roughly around 100 kilometers to go. Let me check the map. Okay, what does the map say? I have 123 kilometers to go. 3 hours and 6 minutes. Time is 10:50 a.m. in the morning. I will reach around 2 p.m. But I will try my best to reach as fast as I can. I cannot delay. I cannot. I'm not going to have lunch because last night I ate more than what I was supposed to eat. I'm still full. I'm not at all hungry. I have to reach there in time. That is the main concern. Oh, it's so cold here. So I'm going to switch it off right now. I will switch on later again. So my coffee break is done. Feeling much better. I didn't expect this cold to be that cold. Another 100 kilometers to go, and the estimated time of arrival is showing around 2 p.m. and it would be great if I can reach within that time. I'm going through the interstate highway. The road is empty, quite empty. There is hardly any traffic. I'm taking another break. I guess I have to go another 80 or 90 kilometers, and the road is, you can see how beautiful it is. So I'm just going to take a small break and then I will be on my journey again. So it's a small break. You can see the let me check my phone, see how much I have to go. Okay, I have 81 kilometers to go. Here it is, if you can see. So I will just take a small break and then I will go off my way. I will just enjoy the moment here for a while and then I will be off my way. So this small break was great, beautiful as well. So I'm done. Now I have come towards a difficult road. Don't know how I am supposed to go. Can you see the road? I have to be very careful over here. I don't want to slip. Don't slip, don't slip. Don't slip. Don't slip, don't slip. Let me check on the map again. I don't want to get lost here. I know it is taking me from the inside of the village, but it is getting confused. Okay, let's go. Let's follow this way. Don't slip. Don't slip. I don't slip. I don't slip. 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 So I didn't slip. So the local kid is helping me out to find the way. So I am just, you know, going around and around all these places. I couldn't find the way. So the local kid is helping me out to find the way. Finally got the main highway. I mean, this is the state highway, and I'm supposed to reach within 30 to 40 minutes. It's beautiful, but in the middle I lost my way in the village. Okay, this is nice, quite pretty, but should I ask? भैया जी बेतला जाने के लिए रास्ता, बेतला बेतला सीधा सीधा ना,
जाइए शेर जब पहुंचेगा तो पहला मुड़ेगा
कहाँ पे?
शेर शेर
अच्छा, well he said something and from something I have to turn right. Finally found the way. I mistakenly went to the main entrance, so they sent me 6 kilometers back because my booking is in the Mud House and it is here. Here the entrance. Betla National Park, Mud House Oasis. Okay, it is actually 6 kilometers away from the main entrance. He is the guard there. I think that is the Mud House. Let me park my bike first. I finally reached the Mud House. I first mistakenly went to the main entrance, which is 6 kilometers from here, and they sent me back 6 kilometers back because the Mud House is located in a part of a jungle which is away from the main entrance. So I have come. Let me show you how beautiful is the place. It's a beautiful, amazing place, and I'm going to stay here for 3 days. 3 days. And let me show you the motorcycle that I get. I'm going to keep my motorcycle in front of my house, Mud House, which is amazing. Let me show you the bike, how beautiful it is looking. There it is. You see, it is not even dusty. So you can imagine the entire road was so beautiful, so clean. This is the bike. It's going to stay in front of my mud house, and I'm going to show you the mud house. Here it is. On top, the top portion is the tree house, and I have booking for the lower one. I mean the ground floor. That is a mud house. That is a tree house. So I will be staying 3 days for in this mud house. Let me show you the place. And there is a swing tied to the long big tree. This is an amazing place. The people are very good here. This is how it looks. Isn't it amazing? I'm going to explore the place in the next 3 days. Let me show you the room. This is the toilet. It's beautifully decorated inside. Geyser is also there in the mud house. I didn't imagine that. But and there is the room. This is my room for the next 3 days. You can see outside. This is a small sitting area outside. I can sit here all day. Hi, this is getting evening, so I'm just having a hot coffee. And about the cold, cold is good. Cold is good. Cold is lovely. And this is the place I'm just chilling out. And and you can see the room behind me. I have to give this proposal to my uh, biker buddies to come here to enjoy the place. Nice. The place is quite calm and quite silent. The best part is that the motorcycle stays in front of the house. Anyway, I will get back to you soon. If you have liked this far, if you are enjoying this vlog, please do subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and do let me know how do you like the vlogs that are coming onto the channel. You have every right to express all your feelings. I would love to have your feelings in the form of comments down below. And I am still recording, by the way. I'm going to record more in the next couple of hours to show you the place, how it looks in the evening. When the sun actually goes down, it goes completely dark. That is something to see. Okay, see you very soon. So I'm just going out. I don't know. The canteen is on the outside. Now the video and the audio is being captured by the Osmo Nano. I hope the video and the audio comes out great. This is the main gate. It is locked, but the canteen is outside. And it starts from here. भैया जी गेट क्या हमेशा बंद रहता है?
हाँ,
हर बार आपको पूछना पड़ेगा?
हाँ, गेट बंद रहेगा। ये चल रहा है कि घुस जाएगा ना हौती आदमी, फिर आगे कंप्लेन चला जाता है।
समझ में आ गया। ठीक है,
हाँ।
ठीक है। तो हाँ, नंबर तो मैं मोबाइल लेके नहीं आया। आप मेरे लिए 2 बॉटल पानी ले आ सकेंगे? पीने का पानी। नहीं तो फिर से आपको बुलाना पड़ेगा। खाते में लिख लीजिएगा। खाते में लिख लीजिएगा।
लिखवा देंगे।
तो 2 बॉटल पीने का बस।
नाम अच्छा लिख देंगे। पीपल मड हाउस।
पीपल मड हाउस। ठीक है। सिर्फ 2 बोतल पानी का। ठीक है। So the main door is locked all the time so that outside people do not just come inside randomly. So I'm just going to give you a small tour of the evening, how it actually looks. And about the cold, yeah, it is cold, but bearable. And my room is this one. Yeah, here comes my motorcycle. And the caretaker I just spoke to lives on the other side of that property. So I'm just going there to show you his place. And every time I need something, if I have to go outside, I have to give him a call. Then he will come back, he will open up the gate, and then I can go outside. And there's the main entrance over there. It's not a small property, it's actually big. But I don't want to go in the dark, in the jungle right now. I don't want to do that right now. अच्छा भैया जी, आपके पास से फ़ोन नंबर लेके क्या फ़ायदा? नेटवर्क ही तो नहीं है।
सही बात। अच्छा, लिखवा दिए हैं पीपल मड हाउस।
पीपल मड
हाँ,
हाउस।
एक पाना में है।
ठीक है,
जो भी खाइए
ठीक है,
पीजिएगा
ठीक है।
जाने समय उसको हिसाब
अच्छा,
कर देना।
तो रात को खाने के टाइम में मैं आपको जाके बुला लूँ। So this is for the dinner I have. There are a lot of stuffs. I don't know what it is, but it seems delicious. So let me have this delicious food. I will see you soon. So the dinner was done. Dinner was delicious. It was amazing. I am now full. The people are good and the food was very delicious. Now I am really full. I'm just heading towards my room. Let me unlock the key. The owner was saying that you are going to stay here for 3 days. What are you going to do? Are you going to write a book? Or what? Is it about some kind of movie you are doing or documentary? I just came alone. That is all. And for 3 days, I'm just going to chill. Now I'm going to end the episode 2. Tomorrow is episode 3. I will be visiting the Palamau Fort. If you have, please do subscribe down below, hit the bell icon, and do comments down below. I will see you again in episode 3, which is tomorrow. That is Ride to Palamau Fort. Goodbye. See you again very soon.